Welcome back to Animal of the Week. In today's video we'll be looking at one of the most endangered species of turtle in the world, the Madagascar big-headed turtle. Can you guess where it gets its name from? Yep, that's right, its slightly bigger than usual head. Really, I think the scientists who named it were being quite mean. Its head doesn't look that out of proportion, but I guess we'll have to live with it. These big-headed turtles live in Madagascar. Who knew? Within Madagascar, they love to live in slow-running rivers and wetlands where there is plenty of water to do turtly things in. They also like to live in these areas so they can easily find nice logs and rocks to bask on and relax, then take a nice swim in the cool, slow-moving waters of the river. What a nice life. Shame that humans have to ruin it. Their habitats are under threat from agriculture, which is one of the factors that is leading to them becoming so endangered. These turtles are not picky eaters, and eat what you would expect a turtle living in marshlands to eat: mollusks, aquatic invertebrates, various wetland plants, and sometimes carrion. Their beaks are nicely adapted to eating all these different things. It is thought that these turtles can live for 25 years, but this is just an estimate and we don't actually know for sure how old they can get. They breed from September to January and usually every 2 years. 2 to 3 clutches of around 10 to 20 eggs are laid in nests on dry land. When hatched, the young will stay in smaller, shallower bodies of water, then when they have matured, move to the larger rivers and swamps where they spend the rest of their lives. These big-headed turtles have somewhat big heads, and they use these big heads to their advantage. The neck is long enough that it can breathe on the surface of the water while the rest of the body is underwater, allowing it to easily breathe without predators trying to eat it. This is good and all, but a neck this long does have one drawback: how can it fit inside the shell? Luckily evolution thought of that, and so unlike many turtles and tortoises, whose necks retract directly backwards, these necks will bend to the side to try and fit inside the shell. Though this helps, the turtle cannot completely fit its head inside the shell. Because it cannot fit its whole head inside its shell, it does have bony plates on its head to give it some extra protection. Being a turtle means it doesn't have the best sense of hearing, but it makes up for this with a good sense of smell and good eyesight. The main factor contributing to these turtles' classification as critically endangered is habitat loss. The wetlands and rivers they inhabit have become fractured and destroyed by the expansion of agriculture and deforestation, which also causes water pollution, further damaging their habitat. Another huge factor that contributes to these turtles' dwindling numbers is poaching. They're easy to catch in nets when fishing and are then killed and eaten for food by humans. And finally, the nail in the coffin for these turtles is the illegal pet trade, where these turtles are caught and exported all around the world to be sold as pets, taking them away from their native habitats. There are only around 10,000 of these turtles left, and sadly their populations are still in decline. Thank you for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you'd like to learn more about our world, its history, and the wonderful life that surrounds us all, please feel free to subscribe to the channel if you think we deserve it, and if you'd like to see more from us.